Hello, everyone over there at Wynnecrest Development. I hope you're doing well. My name is Charles with Warley Digital, and this is the video I was talking about that I was gonna make for you guys. We'll basically go through couple of things you guys can do with your website and just online, so you can start getting more clients. First of all, you might be wondering, why am I doing this? So I'm doing this mostly because I realize business owners are way too busy to learn about all of this stuff. Secondly, um, there's so many people out there, there's so much information out there, and it's hard to stand out. So I figure if I can give free value, something that you can use for free, you can take this, implement it, then it's a way of standing out. And if you like what you see, I have more tricks up my sleeve, and I'll more than willing to discuss partnering together and helping you grow. Third reason I'm doing this is because of Google. 90% of people use Google. 90% of adults use Google, and 70% of them do not leave the first page. In fact, if I was to search for you guys, Wynnecrest Development, Greensboro, Georgia, if I knew your name, I should be seeing you here. And I'm going to talk more about search later on. If I put in this keyword, whatever people put into the search section, whatever words, whatever phrase it is, it's known as a keyword. You should be popping up here. So this tells me that you do not have a Google business profile, which is very important to have as well. And I'll get into it and show you why. So I was looking at your website that you have on your Facebook profile, and I realized that it's still in development. So I would like to give you a few tips, a few things that can help you get more clients using your entire online profile. Okay, so the three things I want to talk about, and I'm going to use an example site that I built myself for someone close to me here in Philadelphia. They're called 215 Exotic Rentals, a car rental agency. But I'm using them as an example because the three things I want to talk about have to do with content, citations, and backlinks. Content, citations, and backlinks. Okay, content is everything on your page. And once again, I apologize, I'm using someone else's site, but I built this myself, and I would have used your site if it was up. So content is everything on the page, all the text you see, all the words, all the images, the words behind the images. For example, what your pictures are saved as. It's important, or rather, it's to optimize. It's good to save them as keywords. These words that people are searching for on Google, so that Google can begin to see you as relevant. You can see I have a lot of text on the page, and I've hidden some of it. Reason is, to optimize with Google, you need to have about 1,000 to 1,500 words authoritative text on your front page, showing what you do, who you are, services you provide, etc. Any offers you have, etc. And then within all of that text, you're going to sprinkle in keywords. Now, these are the things that people search for in Google. For example, for this niche here, this company, a lot of people search for car rental Philadelphia or luxury car rental Philadelphia. And that's a keyword I knew that I needed to include on this page a couple of times, so that Google can see that we're more relevant for those kind of searches. And why is this? Because people are searching for your services. Let me show you a couple of numbers here. So I use a tool called Ahrefs that analyzes different keywords, and let me hop over to it. Now, I was doing some research in your area just to try and find out what people are searching for in the numbers. And I know that seems to me you're a custom home builder. You probably do roofing, and you're in Greensboro. So I was looking at this, even the towns around, and I can tell there's a lot of search volume for your services. For example, 450 people search for roofer Atlanta, Georgia. General contractor in Atlanta, 300 people search for that per month. 300 people search for custom home builders in Georgia, in Atlanta. Construction company, 200 people. There are quite a few of these. New home construction in Conyers, Georgia. Where is this? 300 people search for that. 300 people. Now, this is per keyword. So the more keywords you have, you're going to be attracting more and more people who are looking for your services. Home builders in Loganville, let's see, 50 people look for that every month. New construction in oh, here we go. Actually, new construction homes in Snellville, Georgia, 300 people look for that every month. New home construction in Covington, 350 people look for that every month, etc. And if you pause, you can look through the different keywords and look at the search volume. Now, this is important because, like I said, 90% of people, you can see it here, use Google. 70% of them do not leave this first page, so it's important to be here on your front page. So that's with content for your website. Next thing I want to talk about is our citations. Citations have more to do with the map pack, what's known as the map pack. So let's say I search for home builder in Greensboro, Georgia. Without knowing your name, I'd really like it if you appeared here on the map pack where you have 3 businesses and a map of the local area. Sometimes you will see some Google ads here as well. This to me means that this is competitive in your area. So how do you rank higher and higher here in this map pack? If you click on more businesses, you'll see more businesses, but it's still the same top 3. So ranking higher here has a lot to do with citations. Well, it has a lot to do with your Google My Business profile. And I understand you don't have one. It's very important to build one and get it optimized so that you can start ranking here. I can tell that your competitors here are not that hard to beat. So probably if you optimize it in about a month or 2, you will be up here and start receiving more calls. Anyway, back to citations. Citations are anywhere on the internet that your name, address, and phone number are listed exactly as they are on your Google My Business profile, but in different directories online. And what do I mean by directories? I mean places like Yelp, Better Business Bureau, Dexnos, yellowpages.com, superpages.com, expertise.com, and there are many places you can place citations. Just make sure, after looking at your competitors, make sure you have more citations and more relevant citations than them. There are tools out there that you can use to actually look up your competitors and make sure you're dominating them so that you stay up here. Last thing I want to talk about are backlinks. Backlinks have more to do with the organic section here. So for example, I'm going to take one of your competitors here as an example. Let me copy that. But I just want to explain a backlink is when one website links to you, directing traffic to you. Not all backlinks are the same. If there's a home builders association with a blog up linking people to you, that's a good backlink. Relevant, Google sees it's relevant, raises you up. If it's a McDonald's in Philadelphia linking to you, that's a bad backlink. And Google sees it as spammy and does not put you in front of proper searches because it thinks you're a spammy site. So let me go back into my tool, Ahrefs, and I just want to analyze your competitor's website here. Just show you what your website or SEO person should be doing. They should be coming in, looking at the profile of your competitors, seeing how many backlinks they have, and then coming in and looking where they're getting the backlinks, the strength of the backlinks, etc. And then make sure you have the same amount or even more. In fact, if you want to dominate the searches, I would say get more relevant backlinks so that you can start to take the traffic from these guys, your competitors. So those are the 3 things I wanted to talk about. Citations, backlinks, and content. Thank you very much. Feel free to use these tips by yourself, implement them, or have someone implement them, whoever is building your site. If you like what you've seen, I have more tricks up my sleeve. I'd love to be able to discuss about possibly helping you with your website and your GMB profile. Right now, we do have a deal that if you don't get any new clients from the work that I do on your GMB profile, you get all your money back, or I'll just continue working for you for free until you get enough clients that you cover the price of that you've invested. And from that point on, you'll get clients and it'll be at no cost. Thank you very much. Have a great day, and I hope to talk to you. Bye bye. Again, this is Charles with Warley Digital. Thank you.